I don't think I need you guys anymore. Boom. Electrical stuff. Electrical. All right, so that's electrical. Why is that so heavy? This piece is actually in good shape. I don't want to get rid of stuff like that. This, however, that's garbage. This is the top to our icebox. That's garbage. This is a random tool. This goes into the random tool bin. Okay, I might have a flat bar in there. Oh, I'm looking for that. Oh, that's my good. I love this tool. It's a alignment pliers. The jaws. It's just a specific type of pliers with a wire cutter in it, and you flip it. See, it flips back, and there's a wire. There's a stripper on the other side. This is a handy tool. This is heavy, like there would be a flat bar in it. No, I don't have a flat bar in here. Dang it, where is my flat bar? Earplugs. I had a set of earplugs. Did I put them? Anytime you hear ringing in your ears, that's permanent hearing damage. Be careful. And maybe I should put safety glasses on too. Boom, boom. I'm about to bash this in. All this beautiful teak, it was still in really good shape. Phillips head screws, that's interesting. Did this get fastened at some point? How is this attached? It's investigation. Robertson's. This stinks down here. It's a bad idea to have your icebox drain into your bilge. For two reasons. Dirty water from your icebox goes into your bilge, pew, and the other reason is the smells from the bilge go up into your icebox. That's what's happening because there's nothing in the icebox. So the bilge smell is going up into my icebox, and it's not pleasant. Really need to find my flat bar. How did you guys do this? So what actually... Oh, was this resurfaced? Yes, it was. There's a fastener underneath this linoleum. Oh, look at it. And this countertop was resurfaced. Oh, because it's that same linoleum surface. Okay, that explains why this piece had new screws. I kind of like doing this slowly just because when I'm on a job working in these old apartments in New York City, there's some like investigative demolition. Like we'd find things in the wall and I'd be like, hey man, check this out. Found some like stained glass in a wall once. Just dumped between the lath in this wall, like, 4 or 5 feet high, stained glass poured in. So I'm kind of going at this the same way, like finding this same old linoleum under here. Somebody, for whatever reason, I'm sure I'm going to find it, decided to cover the... Oh, and there's the old...
Get on with it. Yes, get on with it.
Okay, let's keep going. Wo ist mein 5-in-1? Yeah, I can get at some of these screws. Yeah, baby. Uh-oh. Might be some weather coming our way. The right way and the easy way. Steel screw. Snapped off. Buried. Yeah. That's a nice little piece. Here comes the sun. Yay. Aha! I'm gonna hang on to that one. Oh, it's plastic. Oh, it's not even wood. It's plastic. Ah. Steel screws. Uh-oh. Why is that peeling up so easy? It's fine. Oh, broke. Steel! Whoever did this job had a random box of fasteners and they just went crazy. There's one back there. Good. Come on. You are dirty garbage. Robertson, yes it does. Bronze screw. 50-year-old fastening. That just came out like butter, man. This actually turned into a bigger challenge than I anticipated. I keep marveling at the size of this icebox. It's what, 3 feet long? It's gigantic. Yes, it's 3 by 20 inches, like 20-ish. Yeah. It's amazing. It's huge. Of course, it's an icebox, so a lot of that space is taken up by ice, but still, all of that space I'm going to recover. Actually, that's going to be the quarter berth. I'm very excited about that. I just need my multi-tool. Dust protection. I can't decide if I want to save these doors. It's probably far enough, yes. That's okay if that breaks. There it goes. Oh yeah. Sorry, Maxers. There's limber holes, but there's lots of obstructions. You know, Lynn introduced me to the 5-in-1. It's a super handy tool for scraping, prying. There's many different incarnations, but most of them look like this: pointy end, stubby end, curvy, for scraping pipes, for getting stuff out of a, like if you got a messy screw. This is what I was looking for these terrible screws. It's a handy tool. Is that Max walking around up there? Oh, there it comes. Goodbye. Well, this is where the galley's going to be. Oh, I can already kind of picture it. Am I screaming? Take this off as well. I haven't quite figured out the layout of the galley. It helps actually seeing it kind of open now. I don't have a lot of headroom, but you're kind of hunkered down anyway. If you're underway, even if you're at anchor, even if you're at the dock, sometimes the dock is rocky, so you're kind of anchored. Maybe I'd have a strap. What do they call that strap in the galley that goes behind the cook? This is approximately where it's going to be. I think maybe this bulkhead will come this way a little bit. I have to look at the plans again. No, that might be where it is. Because that's a specific structural piece. I mean, it's not going to be. Doesn't have to be this big. Yeah, actually, it can be this because there's going to be a counter. It's nice to have this handhold when you're going in and out. I have to be able to get into the berth, but I don't mind having a little wall here to lean up against. If I'm sitting up, I can read. There could be a light up here. Oh, I'm really excited. But I can tell, all right? I can feel it. Hey, what do you guys think I should do with these slats? These are really nice. When you're laying in the berth, you could lean against these. You're not leaning against the hull. You're leaning against these nice teak slats. I think I'm going to save them. I might just move them up into the quarter berth. I like the idea of saving some. I'm sentimental sometimes. I get a little sentimental. Actually, one cool thing I noticed the other day, I see this a lot on really well-made boats. All of these screws, they're all flathead screws. They're all pretty much vertical. I love details like that. And that's why I like the idea of respecting the vision of the designers. All right, let's keep taking stuff apart. I think I can probably maybe get this off here. I might have to take these slats off first. Yep. Oh, Max needs a walk. I'm gonna walk Max. Come on. Yeah.
How you doing? Thanks for your help.
Right. Sorry, buddy. Cracked. This is cracked up here. Oh yeah, these have to come off. All right, let's clean this up. That is super wet. This is super wet. This is not damaged. So the damage is just the tabbing. That's a good sign. Yeah, so it makes sense. The tabbing is added after the hole has been probably cured, probably for weeks. So you get a decent enough mechanical bond that it holds these pieces in place, but it's not a structural bond, which is something to think about when you do patches. That's why you want the patch to be over a wide area, so that mechanical bond is stronger. Blah blah blah. Let's keep going here. Oh, the tabbing is all just get off. There's tabbing back here from that was totally delaminated from impact. Look at this. This is the actual plywood delaminated from the impact. When the boat hit, it just knocked this off. Holy moly. Get it out. Yeah, baby. Okay. Starboard bunk is out. Chart table is out. I'm going to move on to this bulkhead up here. First, I'm going to have to deal with the electrical. I'm replacing this fuse box or this breaker panel with a newer one. I'll keep the bilge pump. Oh, and kind of the most, for me personally, the most important part is the little plaque from Belleville Marine Yards, the Corvette number 138 plaque. I want to save that, not only save that plaque, I would like to maybe put it somewhere a little more prominent. Oh, fuel system. Let's start by getting some of this stuff out of here. This is a tube of battens. I bought battens for the mainsail. Going in. Don't try to stop me. At least whoever wired this last time used terminal strips. We'll have a nice, accessible electrical panel in the cabin, in the cozy, comfy cabin. Okay. Breakers. Inelegant. Hey, all right. It's not a breaker panel. It's a fuse box. I didn't even realize it. It's just, these are just switches and these are fuses. That's fine. I mean, I don't particularly care for these glass style fuses because, you know, it's dark. Maybe your cabin lights aren't working and you're like, I can't tell if it's the fuse. Oh yeah. Uh-oh. Oh, okay. Yes. It's already kind of coming up. It's still stuck. Yeah. Oh, good. It's just contact cement, as far as I can tell. Come on. Oh, you son of a gun. Excellent. Yay. Corvette number 138. Made in Canada by Belleville Marine Yards Limited. Cool. Look at that. The original lines from the fabrication, from the yard when they built it. I love stuff like that. Getting rid of it. These are Robertson, but they're the small ones again. Luckily, you can cheat for a limited amount of time with a Phillips. Oh, look at this. Oh, nasty. What happened here? Oh, holy moly. Yeah, so they used this brown wire as like a bus bar. Oh, man. Oh, it's 4:20. It's time to go. I didn't even get to this bulkhead. We'll continue this tomorrow.